Alright, so since it's been cold out and we're going through the winter, I've been using a lot of candles, and I wanted to share with you guys how to get the wax out of the candles so you can still use the jar for other projects. Come check it out! Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Come check out today's video. So here are the candles that I'm going to be depotting or de-waxing. The first two, there's not a whole lot of wax left, but you can see this last one, it didn't burn very well. But we're still going to get all the wax out because we want to use this jar for something else. So first thing you need to do is get some boiling water, and you'll just pour it in. And for these ones that don't have a lot of wax, you just want it to get to over like where the wick is. This one where it has a lot of wax, I'm going to pour all the way to the top. This will give it a lot of heat, but it'll also get it closer to the top where it's narrower. And then the last one, there's not very much wax again, so just a little bit of water. And basically, you're just going to let it sit and let that wax melt and come up to the surface. I'll show you another view here, one that I think looks really kind of cool. So here you can see a little bit better that the wax is melting and floating to the top. I love watching this because I think it looks like a lava lamp. That's all I can think of when I'm doing this process. So now you can see they've all dried, and you want to wait until the wax is cool, and then you can just, oh, I should have done this one a little differently. With this one, I should have come clear up here with all the water, because now this is probably going to have to be broken in half to fit out. But you get your big chunks of wax if you have a lot of wax left in there, like this one didn't burn very well, and you can put these in your warmer, so a Scentsy warmer or anything like that. Oh yeah, there we go. So I was able to get it out, and that actually caused the whole metal thing and everything to come out. So on these other ones, there's obviously not as much wax, so you can just kind of pull that out, empty these out. If there's a good amount of wax, I'll use it in the warmers, and if there's not, then I'll just toss it. Okay, so I'm going to dump the water out, and then we're going to get those wick holders out of there. So sometimes you'll luck out like this, but when I was pouring this out, the water that melted the wax was warm enough it actually melted the glue that held the wick holder in there. So that one popped on out. If there's any leftover wax, then you can just use a butter knife, or I have a screwdriver that I use. So this one still has it in there, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop it out of place, and then, like I said, that water warms up that wax or any of the glue that's underneath holding it on. So you can just kind of work it on out. And then the labels, you can go ahead and run underwater if you need to. Some of them peel off. Some of them are nice to peel off. Some of them need a little encouragement from the water, so you can peel that off. And then if you have any of this black spot from when you're burning the candles, I just use some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, and it comes right off. I still need to get that wax out of the bottom and the labels off, but there I am. I have 3 new jars that I can use. This one would probably be best for like Q-tips or something. And then here's a little bit bigger one. This one would be really cute if I made it into my own kind of candle holder. Here's another one. This would be great for cotton balls or something big like that. I'll finish cleaning them up and give you a better look. For this one, I'll have to work on it a little bit more. It's a really old one, and so the label doesn't want to come off. I'll have to get some rubbing alcohol and rub on it a little bit. But I do have these 2 all cleaned off. I took the bottom labels off, and I just went ahead and I rinsed them out, and I ran the alcohol around to get all the black out. So there's that one all ready to go. And here's this one. So it's really easy. It gives you some nice jars, and then you don't have to go purchase them. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you give it a try. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.